Righto, so to take it off, it's got 4 little countersunk head screws.
Is that a genuine Lotus storage compartment for the screws?
Yep, that's actually a rare option, that.
You sell them too?
Oh, I can throw them in for free if you'd like. Then it just lifts up. Looks like that. I do believe this came with the boost tube when it was purchased.
No, I think that's the original hose that comes with the car from you.
Okay.
You can buy that stuff from Demon Tweaks. I've seen it for sale.
Yep, so it's just, I'll give you as a measurement on how long it needs to be cut. And then our little bracket picks up on the factory screws, the 2 factory screws up here on the body. I'll just undo them.
So if you wanted to run the factory lid, the car's ready to go right now. With all that, you can leave that there and go back to the factory lid, right?
Yep. And that's it. So these bolts just go through, whoops, and they go through this hole and this hole, and then you do put a little nut underneath, which I'll supply. I do remember now, there is a little bracket here. I can't remember what that was for.
That was some sort of intrusion detection for the boot lid, I think, something like that.
So I did have to nick this corner here off for it to clear. Otherwise the pipe on the top plate, when it puts down in place, actually will hit it. If you can, it's probably a bit hard to see, but it comes down through here. And then this adapter plate that we put on, just to show you, it goes between that and the body, so it just slides in between, and then goes up, picks up on your bolts, do them up, that's in place then, and then just sit your top plate on with your little flexible tube. It just sits in there neatly, which goes around your air cleaner. Sits like that. There is an inspection hole here to see your coolant header tank bottle. But yeah, that's it guys.